we're going to go over your assembly and unboxing of the PAX 2000X. The PAX 2000X does come fully assembled for the body and has a few separate parts for your arm and the equipment that goes together along with it. You also have a little knob that will be part of your assembly for your arm as well. So what you're gonna do is make sure you grab the arm extension. Ensure that when you're putting it in nice and tightly, that the slit is facing the control panel. So the second thing you're gonna do is grab your arm, and you wanna make sure when putting it in at the top, this little hole is matching your slit right here. You're gonna make sure you put it in all the way nice and tight until it snaps. When the hole is here, so that you can see the slit, make sure you put the little knob nice and tight. You're gonna turn it all the way to the right. There we go. After doing that, your PAX 2000X is ready for use. So now we're gonna go over on how to use the machine and operate it. So you wanna first ensure that all the knobs are locked in place before powering on your machine, just like this. Then you wanna make sure the arrow back here is always facing towards your patient. Get your arm into position. Ideally, you wanna make sure the suction hood is 6 to 8 inches away from the patient's mouth. The PAX 2000X was designed with beautiful wheels that help make the machine easy to move around. After you find your position, push down on these tabs here to lock your wheels in place. So here is your control panel. There's an on and off button. After you turn your machine on, you may adjust the speed that you like the power to be on. It goes 1 through 10. So we hold the plus sign to increase, decrease with the minus sign. Once you pick the power that you're okay with, you'll turn your suction on and the machine will power on. That concludes our video for the unboxing and assembly of the PAX 2000X. For any further information, please visit our website at www.integram3d.com.